Hi, my name is Taylor Mason, and today I'll be doing the Volcano interactive presentation. So it only takes a few simple steps, so I'm going to try and be as descriptive as I can. So first I have a water bottle, then I have my baking soda, I have vinegar, and I have paper towels. So first I'm going to take my paper towel, and I'm going to place baking soda in the paper towel. I'm going to wrap it up. Place it within the water bottle. Then I have the vinegar. So as you see, the vinegar will be a weak acid and the baking soda is a weak base. So when I poured the vinegar into the baking soda, it started to sizzle and rise, as I do have too big of a cup, so it's not gonna like overflow. But it did rise and bring up the paper towel and with the baking soda, and it does cause an odor as well. But the weak base with the weak acid just causes like the fizzing and a little bit of rise. But with the baking soda being the base, it's not gonna, like no reaction will happen without the vinegar. The vinegar is what gives it the spark to rise. And it also helps, the combination releases the odor. Now I'm going to describe the process and more in-depth version of how the reaction is happening to make the volcano. So my experiment didn't work exactly as planned, probably because of the materials I had. For instance, like the cup was a little too big, and I could have used more of baking soda and maybe a little bit more vinegar. But down to the scientific part of how it all works is, so one is a base and one is an acid. The baking soda is a base and the vinegar is an acid. And so the baking soda is a sodium bicarbonate and the vinegar will be an acetic acid, and they cause two reactions, one being an acid base. And so when they're mixed together, hydrogen in the vinegar reacts with the sodium and the bicarbonate from the baking soda, and that's what like initially is kind of like the spark to the whole volcano aspect of the experiment. And then the second reaction is a decomposition reaction, and it's more of it goes by the carbonic parts of the acids, and it's more on the vinegar side. It is this is when the water begins to decompose and it forms the carbon dioxide gases, and that's what causes the bubbling, and also for the mixture, and that's what causes the mixture, the rise, the bubbles, and it gives it the whole eruption part of the reaction.